Show how to add an image in a repeater module. So to add an image, this is your repeater module. You click edit and then add fields, image. Let's say we're gonna call this one let's call it featured image. We have some featured image there. Okay, so we have featured image. Okay, so there one you can upload or you can browse images, browse inside HubSpot File Manager, or you can upload it from your computer. So let's say for instance you add your image there. So the same thing what you're gonna do here. So for you to be able to pull the image, we're gonna drag it up there. So for us to pull this image here, so we have to copy snippets, paste these things outside, and then we focus only on the image. The image starts here. If item A does exist, if the image does exist, and then show. If it does not exist, then do not show anything. So I started if the end finish there, we cut, don't need this one. And then we come, we're gonna have to create a, so here you can have a class, you're gonna have to create a div element here, we call it, let's paste this one first. Then we copy, this one. We call it image. Okay, so modify. So this is our image. Publish changes. Preview. Okay, the thing to show the image is really big. And showing up the image. Okay, so these are images there. Okay, I'll check the size. Okay, preview again. Yeah, so the image is showing up maybe just because of its big. All right, so we're going to target the CSS. Consider that the name or the naming convention must always follow. As any items inside after them, you must always follow like this. So the module name, that's gonna be the main class there, and then we have the items and everything inside there. We're gonna everything inside the items, you're gonna have another hyphen, and then you put your whatever class that you're gonna put there. So let's say we want this image to be so we're targeting the image with to be for the image. This is where that you target with 100%. Make it with 100%. Let's see. Okay, we have to check what's happening. It's not showing the image. There's our image. Going to inspect the elements. Okay, so the image looks like it's not showing up. We have if featured image, items. Okay, item, featured image, source is there. So we change the image. Let's say for instance this is the image. So now there's something wrong when it comes to this editor. It's having problem to show. Go to the editor here. There's our image. Image is there, so it's big. So now we're gonna have to reduce the size. Come to the class, go to the class, and then reduce the size. It's gonna be with targeting the image. For instance, with 100%. 100%. I have to preview this one nicely. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, check here. Okay, so this is our page. To change this image, okay, so let's check. So yeah, full width. Yeah, so we have two column. Looks like this. Okay, so now this is the way that you add your images. So we have just to make sure that the image is really set up nicely. Inspect elements. Okay, so so here we forgot to add the class, so we have to add a class here. That's why I was giving some error. Let's see. Refresh the page here. Yeah, as you can see, we have our image, but now as you can see, it's a bit squashed. We have to see put max width. Right. So the height of the image need to be kind of auto. So we're gonna have to make the height of the image auto, so that it mustn't be squashed. As you can see here, the image height auto. Okay, you can see. Here we go. Okay, auto. There you go. This is the way that you add images in the repeater. Okay, sweet.